over there in this video I'm gonna explain you how you can design keyword driven automation framework in Selenium. So the frameworks can be any type, and then in the keyword driven automation framework what happens is you create the methods that are reusable. For example, consider a application where you can book the tickets. So in a certain this kind of application you can have the methods or the functions like log into the bus website, then search for the buses, select the bus tickets, then book tickets, or you can have a functionality to cancel the ticket. So you can create or map the methods to this each operation, and then these operations or the methods can be reused in multiple tests. So that's how you can create the keyword driven framework. So the main components of the framework could be like a library which contains all these methods that I just talked about. Then you can have a data sheet in Excel format where you can pass the test data for those methods, and then Selenium WebDriver, that is the heart of the framework. Then in the reports you can create the reports in HTML format, and you can have main JavaScript which will read all the this data sheet and then pass the data to the methods to execute those tests. So here is a simple method that I have created which will return true or false if the login is successful or not successful based upon that. And similarly you can create those methods, other methods like make payment, book ticket, etc. And then this is the sample data structure, how we can create that. So you can have test case ID, then test case name, execution flag, test ID, test case steps, keyword, object types, object name. So here you can you can call those methods and pass the data to operate on that method. Say if you want to put this agent name and password in that user ID password, you can pass it from this data sheet. And then similarly to book tickets you can pass those data over there. Then Excel in your main driver script you can read this Excel sheet and then call those methods. And finally you can create the HTML reports as well. So that's how you can create the keyword driven frameworks in Selenium. If you like this video, hit like button.